Hello, today I will show you how to use Microsoft Office translator function. So when you have a document that you want to transfer to another language, for example, I have the English version. I want to transfer to French. So to do that, you can go to Review, and here you have a translate option. So you can translate a selection. For example, you select the text that you want to transfer and the transfer selection. On the right side, you will see from English, it will auto detect. If it is not, you can select the source, language source, okay? And then here you have a two option. So we want to transfer it to French. So let's search French Canada. And scroll down, you will have the insert option. So you select where you want to insert. Let's insert here. And now you have the transfer version of the document. So if you want to transfer the whole document directly over a separate file, you can use the document option. Let me go back, and you can select the other one, transfer document. So it will create a copy of this document with Microsoft Translator service. So after you click this button, it will generate another document that has the translation. Then you can save it to save another name for this one. But if you are using the online version of Microsoft 365, what you need to do is when you try the document transfer option, it will generate the French version directly within this document. That means it will replace the English version. So after you save it, the English version, you cannot find it anymore because it's automatically transferred to French. So if you're using online version, make sure you make a copy of this English version first. Then you click the document transfer, and it will convert to French. And at the same time, you still have the English version copy. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.